Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and it would be an easy one because it's quite simple according to me. So what I'll do is, we do not need to use any div, I'll make it out of pure CSS. So I'll use star background. This is the background color. Let's paste it. Plus star add red plus, and I'll use this color because obviously it's the background color. Let's paste it. And now I'll make it border radius 50%. After that I'll place it there and adjust the sizes accordingly, but first I'll do this. Okay, now let's use margin, and the margin 100. Okay, so maybe it needs to be quite up, so 10. No, not 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, 40 is correct. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, it's accurately the size we want. So we can use border. First of all, I'll remove the pixels from here because we need not alter it. So now I'll use border, which will be, I think, 50 pixels, solid, and this is the color. Let's paste it. Now what we have to do is we have to adjust the margins. So now maybe 10, minus 10, 20, no, minus 10 is enough, and I know 100. Okay, but the border is smaller than required, and it's quite much difference, maybe 70. I'm just playing kind of a gambit on the sizes for now. And 90, 80. Okay, it's perfect. So you would be wondering that we only need the half and I made it full. The simple reason is, if we would have done it with the half size only, like if I would have put the height at 50, it wouldn't have worked. It would have created some problem when we worked with border. So this is a far better way. So obviously we need the lower half of it, so we'll begin with 0, 100%, comma, 100%, 100%, and then comes 100% and 50%. And now the last thing we need is 0 and 50%. Now let's submit it once to see, is it a 100% match? Although I think it would be because it's perfect. Yeah, it is. Good. So now let's remove all the unnecessary spaces. Now let's submit it once again. So 672.63. Pretty high as a score. Let's see what the global statistics are. 615.88. So apparently most people found it easy just like me. And the average characters are 401. We written 179, so we are far better. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.